If you want to improve the sound of your studio monitors, especially if you can't calibrate them, try removing anything that's between them. I have tested this before with monitors with no calibration, and it really works. Today, I decided to revisit this idea. I moved my monitor screen aside, giving my Genelec speakers more space between them. Now, I always calibrate my speakers. That's where the real magic happens. The result? After recalibrating, I didn't notice much of a difference in the sound, since Genelec's calibration is already top-notch. Even with single-point calibration, they are fantastic at addressing room acoustic issues. But here's the cool takeaway. By removing the screen between the speakers, I can focus more on the actual sound of the project I'm working on. What about you? Have you tried this? Did you notice a difference in your speaker setup?